Hey guys, this is a teeny weeny snail trying to reach a certain place. It really goes slow and steady. The little steps are more important than you think. They will help you reach your goal. Be patient and grateful for each small step. Don't stress about the steps because this is not a test. It doesn't matter how fast or slow you go, at least you will reach your goal. Be happy because life is good. Here are some tips. Never give up. Don't try to rush. And be yourself. Life is more than just winning the race or when you finish the race. It's about your dedication to finishing the race. Don't forget about these tips. Bye, guys.